What's the meaning of afterlife? Afterlife. 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 Afterlife refers to the existence or continuation of the soul or spirit after death. It is a concept that has been widely discussed and debated throughout history, with many believing in an afterlife where the soul is judged and may go to either a place of reward or punishment. Some believe in reincarnation, where the soul is reborn into another body or form. The concept of an afterlife often provides comfort and meaning to believers by offering the possibility of continued existence beyond physical death.